So you watched our video on authentication of your domain and want to know specifically, how do you do this with SiteGround? Not to worry, I've broken it down into an easy step-by-step process for you. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Once logged into your MailerLite dashboard, go ahead and click Account Settings in the left toolbar. From here, let's go ahead and click on the Domains tab, and then let's click Add Domain. From here, we're going to enter in the email address we would like to use to send emails from. Go ahead and click Save. And now let's go ahead and click Authenticate. This will pop up a new window with your DKIM and your SPF records. This page you'll want to leave open as we will be essentially copying and pasting this information into SiteGround. From here, go to your SiteGround account. From the home page, click on Websites. Find the URL you would like to set up, and then click Site Tools. From here, on the left side toolbar, let's click Domain, and then click DNS Zone Editor. To get us started, we are going to create a CNAME record, so click on CNAME tab. Now let's go back to our MailerLite account, and we're going to actually copy the name field here. Once copied, let's go back to our SiteGround webpage, and we're going to copy and paste that information here. One thing to note is you'll have to delete this period and the URL. As you can see right here, SiteGround automatically adds that for you. The cache duration settings can be left at 24 hours default. Now let's go back to our MailerLite account, and we're going to copy our value field. Once copied, go back to your SiteGround account, and then go ahead and paste that information into this field by resolves to. Now go ahead and click Create. Once created, you're going to hit back, and now we're going to create an SPF record and follow a similar format. However, this time we're going to click on the TXT record. Our name, we're going to actually leave empty. The cache duration settings, we will once again leave at default. And for our value, we will copy that from our MailerLite account. So let's go back to our MailerLite account. And over here under the SPF sender ID, we're going to copy the value field. Now let's head back to the SiteGround website, and we're going to paste that information here. Go ahead and click Create. Do keep in mind you cannot have two SPF records, so if you already have one set up, you will actually need to merge them. You can find more info about this in the description below. Once created, we can actually go back to our account settings in MailerLite, and you can go ahead and check your DNS records here. And now you can see this has been authenticated and you're good to go. Keep in mind, it could take up to 24 hours for the new records to take effect. To verify if they've worked, head back to your MailerLite account settings, go to the Domains tab, and click Authenticate on your domain. Then click on the green Check DNS Records button to make sure that the records match. If they do, they'll be approved and your domain will be authenticated. If not, you'll want to reach out to support from your domain provider to troubleshoot. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.